welcome to Global Route channel, and what we're doing on this channel is showing you short-term rental, hotels and much more. But today I'm going to show you my personal house that I bought last year in 2021 and I converted it into Airbnb. I put a lot of effort in it, so I'm going to take you on a house tour. So come on in. Welcome in my Airbnb, my personal house, and right over here we have the kitchen equipped with everything that a guest will probably need and much more. Love this kitchen. It's all solid wood. As you can see, it is made of black wood, which is all the way from Nice now, and it's not too far away from here. As you can see, the floors is also solid wood made from black wood. On that note, talking about solid wood, I've got a cutting board over here made of maple wood, all the way from the USA, but made in South Africa. This kitchen is also equipped with a gas stove. I know the Northern Americans are used to the gas stoves, and I'm pretty sure they will enjoy it. The South Africans, on the other hand, are still struggling a little bit with the gas stove. Let's go up and let me show you the two rooms on top. This is one of the top rooms on the loft. So this is a queen size bed, and as you can see, this room is quite spacious. You can bring your wife, your girlfriends, all their luggage, and there will still be enough space in here. And all the rooms are fitted with a dresser. And what I love about the top rooms are the structures of the roof. It gives it a lot of character, and it's not as boring as your typical room with a ceiling. This is the dining room, very small but very unique. This table was specially made for this space. This can fit 8 people, so 8 chairs, and as you can see, it can extend and fold back in. Over here I have a super cozy living room that you just cannot resist. Okay, this is so comfy. Your whole family or a bunch of friends can relax here, watch the sport on TV. I have a cable that has all the sports, movies and much more. With the cozy living room, I have a 58-inch TV, and originally I wanted to get the 71-inch TV, but I think this 58-inch TV are just perfect for the size of the living room and the cabinet. If I got the 71-inch, I think it would have been too big. So this is perfect for sport, movies and a family or a friend's gathering. When it comes to Wi-Fi, I like to spend a little bit more extra on Wi-Fi because I know it's really important to guests, especially if they travel and work, so they have a really strong Wi-Fi connection. And this one over here is pretty good. Spend a little bit extra and your Wi-Fi will be way better, and guests love it. That's one of the first things they are looking for. Also, I put in a line for fiber. It's uncapped, so you can upload and download as much as you want. Documents, movies, whichever you would like. This is just absolutely fantastic for guests. And now we are in one of my favorite rooms, and I'll tell you why. Come on in. This room is a little bit smaller than the top 2 rooms. This room is fitted with a double bed, where the other 2 rooms are fitted with a queen size bed, and also a dresser. But my favorite part of this room is when you wake up in the morning. This room opens up with two double French doors, and you walk right out, or you have this beautiful view of this garden. We are outside in the back of the house with a lovely patio. This patio is obviously covered. When it rains or it's too hot, the sun is beating down on the house, you're covered. And the kids have a nice space to play with. Balls, cricket, rugby, soccer, whatever they like, American football, baseball. Or you can just move the chairs over here and you can have some nice sunlight, some vitamin D. Have some chairs over here for ladies, fitted for the outside part. And then I also have a bigger part of grass over there, nice lawn. Kids can play here. You can go for a stroll around in the garden and it will be fantastic. This is just a different angle of the back side of the house. As you can see, nice and spacious, nice big group of friends, and you guys can have an absolute great time over here. Thank you for coming on the tour in my house. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys next time on the next adventure. Cheers.
Thank you.